I thought that what I would do is just take a couple of minutes and show you a little bit about how your Facebook site works and what I did. Just so that you know, in case anybody asks. Um, this is your home page. Naturally, you know, because this is your timeline up here. If you click here, it'll take you to your timeline. When you get to your timeline, these are pages over here that you have. Marcia Petrie, South Hadley Realtor, Marcia Petrie Realtor, Ludlow Homes for Sale, Marcia Petrie Chicopee Realtor, Ludlow Realtor, Holyoke Homes for Sale, and then I did another one, Go Social Pioneer Valley. These we did a long time ago. If you click on the More button, it might even bring up a few more. So these are the ones that are in your admin folder, okay? I'm going to delete this one right here. You don't need this. No, you can't delete it. It's an add to favorites, okay? So these are, I even got you one I even did Northampton Homes for Sale a long time ago. But these are your pages, okay? So this page somebody else built for you. I don't think I built this page. I don't remember this at all, to be honest with you. And I wasn't around for any of this. So this is your, somebody built this for you. So you got 108 likes on here, and I want you to see right here is your Find a Home, okay? That's the button that I put on using the software. Let me show you where the software is. You have to be on the Marcia Petrie, your personal site. So you go over to your personal site, click on your timeline. It'll switch over. You'll see your pages, like we talked about. Then you scroll down a little bit, and you'll see that you've got these things called apps. Right here, apps, okay? Now this is something else I found on your computer. That's a different app called Property Pins. And then this works. I tried it, but I didn't put it on all the sites like I did your real estate agent directory. That's what this is right here. And when you click on this, what it does is it takes you to an application profile, an application dashboard, an agent dashboard. And what I did is I found you can do featured listings, but in your agent profile, I did this thing called add page tabs. This is where the tabs all were. Each page in this is called a tab. Add agent tab I haven't worked on yet, but this made it so that all of your pages have that home, find a home on it. Okay, so let's do a little looky-loo here. So now you go in here to write your timeline. You're in your timeline. You want to go check a page. So we're going to check South Hadley Homes for Sale. So we click right here. Come on. Maybe, okay, it's going over now. And you can see there's your Find a Home, okay? Click. So this is what a customer sees. But this is, you got to understand, you have to make a decision on how you want to get people to come to this page. Okay, that's where this information is at. It is not on your personal page. It's not on your personal page. It doesn't connect to your personal page, okay? So now let's go back to your timeline by clicking on Home and go to the page that somebody else created called Marcia Petrie Realtor. I like this page because it could be everything, but it has to be promoted. You got to get people to join that page. We got 700 some odd people to join your personal page, but you can see that there it is, Find a Home. Okay, I did a little test. Oh, look at this. There's your apps also. Find a home right here, okay? And my agent profile. So if somebody clicked right here on this page, not only would they see it up there, but they would, this button and the one I just clicked are obviously the same buttons. So what'll happen is it'll open up right here. Customer won't see this green part right here. Okay, they don't see that. Anybody other than you sees that. And then what they have the ability to do is just use it the same as, they just type in an address or MLS number or whatever, do the search however they want to do it, or they can go to your featured listings, okay? And if you click on featured listings, there you can see that your featured there, and this is an automatic thing, this right here, okay? This is how can I help you today? And this is you popping up every time somebody clicks on this page. And then that you maybe have to set it up so that it goes to your messages on your phone or something. But there's all your listings, okay? And then there's property pins right there, okay? So let's say that you took, let's see what happens. Click on this, property pins. And it'll go to, I don't know if it'll take us to a bunch of properties. Yeah. It takes you to, I don't know. Oh, look at this. It takes you to, from what I can tell, that's Holyoke right there. It takes you to several properties. Okay. Takes you to several properties. So let's say you wanted to focus on this multi-level, this multifamily. They could do a tour. No, this is you sending this information out. So you share it. Let's see where it would share to. It'll take you to the share piece, and then you decide where you want to send it, on a page on your timeline. I practiced this one already. So this one says Marsha Petrie Realtor, but this would go to Marsha Petrie South Hadley Realtor, or South Hadley Homes for Sale. I think I'm in charge of, and I can make you a admin to it. I'll see if I can do that sometime later today. So click on this right here. What a cool property. And then posting as, let's see who you're posting as. So right here, you'd want to post this as Marsha Petrie, or let's say you'd want to post it as Marsha Petrie Realtor. Share the link. So now that's posted. All right. Let's go see where it went to. So what we're going to do is click on home, which is your timeline on your main account, on your home page, your personal profile. We're going to check two places to see what took place. We're going to do Marsha Petrie South Hadley, which is that one right there. Let's click on it. You can tell it's running by looking at this thing right up here. And let's see what it did. Okay, you can see right here that it said, well, this I did before. That I did a little while ago. I posted this one a little while ago. So Marsha Petrie South Hadley Realtor. Okay, this is you sharing, Marsha Petrie South Hadley Realtor, sharing this link on this page. So it means that you from this page shared on this page. That's old. Why didn't this one? So all I'm going to do is right click and reload right here and see if we can get a post to go here. I'm not sure why the post didn't just go over there that we just did. Maybe I did it to a different place. So let's go to home. Let's go to Marsha Petrie Realtor. I wonder why it didn't post. Or maybe it takes time. Who knows? You know. I'm not getting it. I'm not seeing why it didn't actually go. Maybe it'll go later, but we'll check it one more time because we've given it plenty of time. Let's go back to home. I know I did it to the south. Okay, I'm on Marsha Petrie Realtor right now. Let's go to, there's this one again. That was an hour ago. Why didn't this thing post? Find a home. Oh, I know. We pinned it. Maybe that went to something else. So let's go back in here and do featured. I bet that went to pins and not to your page. So we're going to click on featured listings. Let's choose this one. Let's get rid of this. Choose this one. Shows you got 9 listings. Click on it. Get it up here. See how it says it's got pin it right here. And it's got pin profile. I think you should just play with these buttons. Click the like button there. Beautiful piece of property. Beautiful property. So that I just added a comment to it. Schedule is showing. Ask a question. You could share if you wanted to. Let's click share. Where does it go? Okay, share. You can put it. It would go to your timeline, or you could click a page. Let's do the South Hadley page. Let's do that page right there. Click share link. Let's do pin profile. See where that goes. It takes me back to this property pin. We need to figure this one out a little bit. Property news. We'll have to figure this out. Save to favorites, message, agent. Okay. But when you hold that, it's got this little share deal like we saw. So let's put it somewhere else. Let's do it on a page. Let's do it on a weird page. Let's do it on yeah, let's do it Go Pioneer Valley. Save the link. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the home section. We know we posted to 2 places, but you can see right now that this is not automated. This is a time-consuming deal, and you know, it's usually this would be for somebody that you know, the posting piece would probably used for somebody that has a lot more than 9 or 10 listings. I'm not saying that 9 or 10 listings isn't a lot of listings, but I would think that, you know, the posting tool would be more for a bigger city like some of the agents in Atlanta have 150 listings, teams or that kind of stuff. That's why I've always thought about trying to figure out different ways that you could use other people's listings to make it, more sharing. Okay, look, it put it here though. There it did. It put it on your page. Okay, so it did post it there. Now let's go to the other one, Pioneer Valley, see what that one did. Let's see if we got Pioneer Valley. Click on more so we can get to Pioneer Valley. Okay, there's the Go Pioneer Valley. Let's see if it put anything there. And it did. It put it there too. Okay, now let's go to your main page to see if it did anything on your main page. I would think it wouldn't. Well, I was wrong. But we must, that's the property pin. So property pins go to your main page. Okay? The property pin goes to your main page. Okay, so let's go do that again. Let's go here. Let's go to South Hadley and pick that. Let's go to the South Hadley and pick the multi-level. No, not multi-level, multi-family property on Lamb Street, I think it is. So we want to do find a home, click on it. You can see this is time consuming. It's not automated. It's a cool tool though. Featured listings. Come on. Agent Directory, you've been a member of since April. We're going to close this April. So you didn't use it at all. Hold your mouse here. We'll click on this and let's see what happens. It brings it up. Why didn't it do the pin thing that we want? You know what I mean? Pin profile. Let's click on that. We're just seeing, I think pin profile means, oh, okay, so it takes you to this. So it brings up more. As you use them, it puts them in. I see what's going on. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to go here, right? We want to do the share and on your own timeline. Well, it can go anywhere, I guess. Let's just do it there. Now let's click off. I know this is a little bit more video than what we wanted. I'm at 18 minutes, but it's something you need to have anyway. And it's an easy guide, and it already shows you exactly what to do. There's no bullshit on it. Hey, look, you got 705 friends. And it did. It put it right on your front page. Okay? So you can see that. Now, what you have to do is you have to think about a strategy. That's the most important thing. You have to have a plan of action as if it was an advertising campaign. Know it, have a plan, and stick to the plan. And however you want to do it is okay with me, but it needs to be talked about so that I understand what it would be that you would want to do, and if somebody else does it, so that you can give them directions so that you can accomplish whatever goal it is that you want to go after. I hope this was this almost a 20-minute video, so I'm really sorry about that, but I hope it was worth it.